Kenneth from Atascocita has a stinky house.
This is a case where
I think
the previous owner had cats and dogs, was a hoarder, and the house smelled bad.
And you bought it?
That's what I'm saying. Okay, so Kenneth, we love you. We're laughing with you. Was it SpongeBob says, I'm not laughing at you, I'm laughing next to you.
Yes,
all right, so we took out everything, he says, and cleaned. We pulled the carpet and flooring. We tried ammonia, cleaners, changed air filters, even pet odor sealant from Home Depot on the concrete. It's helped. But we still have one room we can't de-stink. So Tom, Kenneth even cut back 2 feet of sheetrock and replaced it trying to fix the problem. What's your advice on getting the stink out of their room?
I don't know, but I think the best de-stinker is white vinegar. So if you can slop that around all over the place, that might help put some bowls of it out.
You know, when we got back to our house after Harvey, now we didn't take any water, thank God, but our house had that kind of not lived in smell, you know, and we put out, by your advice, the white vinegar around the house, and within hours, it was gone.
It does work, and it works for nicotine and fried fish and not lived in homes and Hurricane Harvey and other things. So that's definitely what you're going to have to do. I don't know, except you're just going to have to keep going at it and try to get rid of it. But slop mop everything with some white vinegar and water might help as far as that goes. Who knows what was in that house, where it went. And you know, as hoarders, I've watched those TV shows, and those homes can get really out of hand sometimes.
He's watched those TV shows. He's seen my garage. It's the same.
Ex-wife, that was one. Anyway, I've seen his garage. Not anymore. He's not allowed anymore. He's got a wife that says, no way, Mr. Hoarder.
This says no hoarding.
No hoarding. Okay. I know a lot of people are hoarders.
Right. You know, we like to hoard. We like to hoard the questions you send us at HomeShowRadio.com. Send them to us, and we'll answer them. You'll see some of those answers right here, and you can see a cornucopia of answers when you subscribe to our channel.